How to send money with credit card without your debit card on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can send money with your credit card on Cash App. So make sure to watch the video till the end. To send money with credit card on Cash App, first of all, just launch the Cash App. Make sure you're under the dollars icon, which is the paying tab. And then here you simply want to tap on this little pay button, which you see right over here. Once you tap on the pay option, over here you'll be able to actually select from which account you want to actually select and send. So at the very top, if you look closely, you can see a faint mark that says cash balance, right? So when you tap on that cash balance option, it will give you an option from where you want to send. So in this case, since we want to send from our credit card, from the bottom you have to select the option called credit card. In this case, if you have not added a credit card, you can watch our other video and figure out how you can add a credit card to your Cash App. And since in this case we've already added a credit card, I'll just select the credit card option, and now it will be straight to the credit card tab. Now simply enter the details of the person you're trying to send money to, and then tap on the pay icon from the top right, and then you should be able to send money with credit card on Cash App. That's all it takes to send money with credit card on Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.